that they're voting on. Also, Arzu, have you seen a steady trickle of voters since the morning up till now, or is now a bit of a lull there since it's afternoon time?
Well, Uday, the voting for the first phase is taking place in the Jammu and Kashmir, and people in large number are turning up to cast their vote, and seems a very good voter turnout here in Doda. And if you can see, we are standing right outside the polling booth where heavy security forces have been deployed. But now, if you can see, the voters are less as compared to the morning. But we are expecting that in the evening, more voters will come to cast their vote, and we usually see this that the voters are more in the morning and in the evening. So the same can be seen here also. But I also have some voters with me who have casted their vote. Have you casted your vote?
Yes, I have.
What are the main issues of Doda, and what changes do you want to see now?
Well, Doda has a myriad of issues. The health sector has a lot of problems. A day before, I think we went to the hospital to get an appendectomy done. There were 2 people on each bed. Because of the failure of Ayushman Bharat in J&K especially, because in the rest of the India, Ayushman Bharat is doing really well. But in Jammu and Kashmir, it has failed completely. That has put the stress of the, the whole burden of healthcare on the government hospitals. And I think there are 2 people on each bed currently. So this is one of the biggest issues that we are facing currently. Then there is the problem of parking. Now they are, building up a multi-parking center in the center of the city. So there are issues, but there are also solutions that can be taken. APLs. Do you know what APLs are? Above poverty line people. Those were included in Ayushman Bharat in Jammu and Kashmir. That was a gift given by PM Modi to everybody in Jammu and Kashmir. But that has turned out to be the thorn in the whole issue, because the insurance companies behind Ayushman, they cannot take up the load of so many people. Yeah.
So you are saying that the government scheme is not properly reaching to Jammu and Kashmir region. Also, if I talk about after the abrogation of Article 370, has the Jammu and Kashmir witnessed the change?
Well, first of all, the way they took away Article 370, that is kind of a grievance that the people of Jammu and Kashmir have within the Indian government. They took our leaders, they took every person who could raise voice against, oppression. They just took them away. They put them in jails, and then they put security forces outside, and nobody could just go outside and talk about it. So if it was a constitutional way, if they had done it in a constitutional way, 370 being there or not being there, that would have been a matter of debate. Now it's a question of the legality, how it was done.
So there you heard there the voice of a voter who was telling that there are the good schemes that the government has implemented, but they are not properly getting implemented in the region of Jammu and Kashmir. The Ayushman Bharat, one of the iconic scheme of the Indian government, but not being implemented nicely. So this is what we are picking up on from ground that the people are expecting more from the health sector. They're expecting more employment in the region. They want security and the safety in the Doda region. Yes, Uday.
Okay, joining us also now is Ajay Jandial, in fact, from the Islamia High School of Bijbehara. Ajay, also, of course, Bijbehara is seeing